Hello, this is Lohita. So, our topic for today is how do you handle salary negotiation? So, I'll give you 2 points which you have to remember while answering this question in the interview. First thing is what the interviewer wants to know, and second one, I'll give you a 3-step process which you have to apply while answering the question. Firstly, what the interviewer wants to know. He wants to see whether you're confident of your skills, so you do not put the salary at a low number. And also, every company has been given a budget to give to their employees. So if they will see whether they can afford you or not. So you do not put the salary at a high number also, not low or high. And you have to wait for the interviewer to bring up this question. You do not ask it early before the interviewer asks about this question. You do not ask what's the salary and how much is it. Coming to the 3-step process to answer this question. So you are basically selling your skills. So to answer this question, you have to remember 3 things before getting into an interview. First is you have to know yourself. You have to know your education, your skills, your achievements to know what is your worth. Are you up to the mark or not? Secondly, you have to know the job and the company. Know the benefits you are getting from the company if you work into it. And also, apart from money, you get learning opportunities or company's vision which will push you towards working into that company. And also for some people, location is also a benefit. Then know the industry salary. There are some websites which you can visit where you get to see the salary the company is paying for a particular job role. So I'll give you an example of how to answer the question. You can go like, since I'm a fresher, I am looking forward to build my career in this company to get a hands-on experience. And also, I don't doubt that the company compensates the freshers. But what's important to me is working in a team and also learning new skills through this job. When you show the culture of the company is more important, so as a fresher you will be more preferable when compared to the other candidates who have the same qualifications as you.